my name is Bobby D'Souza, and the topic that we're going to talk about today is something that we don't really like to enter into. The topic goes something like this. Gam ka khazana tera bhi hai, mera bhi ye nazrana. My friend, you guessed it correct. The topic we're going to talk about is breakups. How do you handle the agony, the frustration, the disappointment, the desperation, the pathetic condition you and I feel when we go through rejection? हम कैसे behave करते हैं जब हम rejection से गुजरते हैं? Before we talk about how do you handle breakup, let me define what breakup is in my own terms. Breakup, my friend, is a death. Yes, you heard it correct. Breakup is a death at a point of your life. A death in the relationship, which you and I are so struggling to reawake and make alive, which is not possible. Something that you so loved, that you so mesmerized with, that something that you were so addicted to, something that you really wanted, completely has gone away from your life, my friend. And that, my friend, is breakup. Now, before I come to, the techniques that you need to apply to overcome breakup, it is very important for us to go a little deeper and understand what breakup stages are. Because I said breakup is grief and death, you go through stages in breakup, and I'm going to take you through each one of them. And if you identify with me, just say yes. The first stage that you go through when you go through a grief period of breakup is called as denial. Now what is denial? Denial is ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? नहीं, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. नहीं. I don't agree. No, but she loved me. But he said he'll get married to me. But we were so happy together. अरे हम कितने खुश थे. My friend, what you just have seen is an example of the stage of denial. This is a stage when we can't accept the reality that something like that has happened out of the whole world to the poor me. We can't accept it, and that's the first stage called denial. The number two stage is anger. Growth, gussa. It is so self-understood, isn't it? You want to get angry, why did she do that? Why did he do that? Why did he do that? Why did he cheat on me? Why did she cheat on me? Why did he say that? Why couldn't she talk to her parents? क्यों उसने ऐसा किया? And these are the discussion that goes through our mind, and we're very angry. But what you and I don't see is under the surface of the anger is deep pains. The pains which says, that I don't like this pain. I don't like this emotion or pain that I'm going through. And one way for me to vent out the pain is to show anger. So I will show anger to a lot of people. And my friend, may I just say, for you to go through the stage of denial and anger is absolutely okay. All of us go through it. The number three is bargaining. Yes, you heard it correctly. The number three is bargaining. Now, what is bargaining? Bargaining is you want the past story to continue like before. You want those memories to come back. You want those good moments to come back. You want those familiar grounds to come back. Remember, you're addicted to it, aren't you? So you want to stay with it. Yeah, please. Hey, वापस मेरे पास आ जाना. Listen, I will leave alcohol for you. No, I will stop talking to my friends for you. नहीं, मैं तुम्हारे लिए ये करूँगा, मैं तुम्हारे लिए वो करूँगा. People want to just bargain. You know why? Because they want the old moments to come back. But the truth is, my friend, if the relationship is truly broken, no matter how much you bargain, it is not going to come back. But again, this is the stage number three. Stage number four is depression. What is depression? You bargained a lot, please aja, मैं ये करूँगा, वो करूँगा, I'll do this for you, I'll do that for you. Now is a stage when you'll basically say, that's not going to work out. You've lost hope. Your dream for him or her has died. There is no way that you can see in front of you, and as a result, you are absolutely hopeless. You get up in the morning, आपको लगता है कि यार क्या चल रहा है मेरी जिंदगी के साथ, मैं उसके बिना कैसे जी पाऊंगा? And this is the moment of helplessness and depression that all of us may or may not go through. This is also a stage, and number one, you got to accept it. Now, once you have gone through depression, once you have gone through denial, once you have gone through anger, this next stage that you go through is called acceptance. Now, acceptance, my friend, is a stage where you've accepted that no matter what, bargaining cannot happen. No matter how much anger you have, that is the moment of truth when you know, आपको पता चल जाता है कि वो मेरे पास वापस कभी नहीं आएगा. And the quicker you accept it, the faster you will heal in the breakup moments of your life. Did you learn something? My friend, the quicker you move from the first stage of denial to the stage of A, that is from a D to a A, the faster you and I will heal.